guys, my name is Joyce and this is the Londonist DMC's YouTube channel. So today we're at Chapter Islington and we're going to be showing you around all the common rooms and the rooms as well. So come on, let's go. So this is the reception area. This is where you can ask any questions. If you need any help, you can just come down here and they'll be happy to help. And then there's also a smart rental store, which is super convenient if you need any essentials. They've got snacks, they've got appliances, printer, and they even have a switch, which is really cool. So you can rent these out. So this is the reception area. This can also be used as a games room as well. So this is an area where you can chill, you can play some games here with your friends. They do have a snooker table. And they also have a food table, which is really cool. Here is a nice seating area, which also does come with a TV. So you can here hang out with your friends, watch some YouTube, Netflix, a really nice chill spot. And then they have an extra area here as well. They have some board games, they have a huge TV here again. It also has some speakers, which is really nice. The cinema room. This place is so cool, guys. It's like you're in a real life cinema. So here, you don't even have to pay for a ticket. Do you know how cool that is? The amount of money you'll be saving on cinema tickets is crazy. Imagine sitting here having some popcorn with your friends. Surround sound as well, so it will be like you're in a real life cinema. So this is the study room, guys. Very nice and spacious. It has these boards here where you can study, you can write your notes on there as well. And here on the table, it does have little plugs. It does have little plugs here to plug in your chargers. So this is a really nice spot. You can hold study sessions here with your friends or solo studying as well. And then here comes with a desk and with books that could be related to what you're studying. It's a very nice quiet space. And then here we have the art studio. So depending on what course you're taking, whether you're doing a creative course, fashion, art, this is a space where you can create your pieces. So we've got a sewing machine here, we've got some paint, acrylics. So this is a space where you can really get creative, which is really nice. And then they also have an on-site gym. We've got some weights here. We've got all the equipment that you'd need. You don't have to have a gym membership. You can access this gym 24 hours whenever you want, which is super useful. So yeah, all you have to do is download that app to see how you can wash your clothes. And also, Londonist Hospitality do also offer the washing of your bedding and linen. So sometimes if you don't have the space or you want someone to do the washing up for you, we do provide that as well. So just check the description box down below to see how you can do that. There's a cluster of rooms. So there's 4 apartments here. I'm going to show you the bronze upper studio level. So this is B78E. So this is the bronze studio upper level. Also, this is a really good place to stay if you have any short-term internships or short-term programs, because we also do offer short-term stays as well. So if you want to stay for 2 weeks, 5 weeks, we also offer that too. So it comes with a kitchen. It has a huge cupboard here, so much space for all of your things. Then it comes with this nice fridge as well, a little mini fridge to put all of your groceries, a double induction hob, and a microwave which does work as an oven as well. And then here you have a wardrobe to put all of your clothes, and this nice double bed here. It does have a switch right on the headboard, so super easy to charge all of your electronics, which is really nice. And then you've got your handy little desk here. It does come with a chair as well, which is super comfortable. And yeah, it has this nice pinboard here, which can really make the space your own. You can decorate it how you want, have some little postcards and everything like that. So postcards, pictures of your family or friends, if you are missing home. So here, there's some extra storage. You can put your shoes in here, decorations, and it does actually come with 2 wardrobes as well. So this section here, you can use to hang your clothes, your coats, and then an extra space there to fold your clothes. And then here we have the bathroom. I love the sleek design and finish of this. It's very cozy. And it does come with this really nice big mirror. And then of course, guys, this is such a cool shower. I love the shape of it. It has like this curvature shape, which is really nice. I actually really enjoy it. Super cute. Okay guys, so now I'm about to show you the silver ensuite lower level. It comes with a desk with lots of storage here underneath, and it does also come with this chair here as well. And a drawer, super handy. And I also love how it comes with this black chalkboard. This is actually really cool. So you can do little notes, you can write messages to yourself, reminders. And then also, this is the Londoners Hospitality Welcome Pack. So on the website, it does come with a lot of appliances. So with this one, the student has chosen a hairdryer, but we also do things like kettle, iron. So yeah, just head over to the website to see all of the things that we offer. And then here we have the wardrobe. So this can be used to hang all of your clothes, which is really nice. And then you can use the floor here to put all of your shoes as well. And then here we have some extra storage as well. You can put your shoes, you can fold some clothes, or you can even use it as decoration as well to put pieces of decor. And then this is the bathroom. Again, this is similar to the other bathroom in the other room. Again, it comes with a mirror, sink, it has the shower here, which has this really interesting curved shape, which I think is pretty cool. And then the door just closes like this. So this is the communal kitchen. It's very spacious, as you can see, and I love the modern design. So it does come with a full-length fridge. So here's some extra space to put all of your groceries. And then the cabinets, lots of extra storage to put all of your appliances. It does come with an air fryer as well. And the basic kitchen appliances. So we've got a kettle, microwave, then we've got a full oven here as well, and a 4-space hob. And we also have a nice little seating area / breakfast bar here, which is really nice just to sit down, have your breakfast, have your dinner, instead of just always being in your room. So this is the courtyard. It's a very nice greenery space. It has lots of seating areas, so this is a really nice place just to come down to get some fresh air without actually having to leave your accommodation, which is really nice. It's actually it's got a lot of space, to be honest, and it does also have this upper area here as well. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and also check the description box down below on how you can book with us. Bye!